What's up guys, welcome to the new Rock On vlog, the first episode of 2023. Super excited because we're gonna build a bike again, as you could see on the thumbnail, a new KTM 125 Duke. We're gonna make it custom and give it away. More about that in a few moments, because I would like to share some news with you, something personal. I got my first child. Her name is Emma. She's 1 month old, super small, but growing quick. She likes to eat and luckily she likes to sleep also. So I can't wait to wrench on the bikes with her, teach her how to ride a little bike, and yeah, I can't wait also to show her in one of the next vlogs, but first she needs to grow a bit. The next big news is actually that building behind me. Yes, maybe for you it looks like an abandoned place, but it's actually a building being refurbished. We bought an old bakery and we are building it into the new headquarters of Marusha Performance. And guys, because of you believe in us, you buy our products, we can now move into a more comfortable place where we can do even better part. Now we rent a place which is 100 square meters big, and we squeezed in R&D, warehouse, offices, workshop, you name it, everything in a too small space, and it was about time that we move, and that's the building behind me. Till now we did following things. Here was a small forest which we made into a parking lot, and on the building itself we put a brand new roof and we tear down the big chimney we got. Let's go inside, let's see what we did inside. Welcome to our crib, Marusha Performance HQ in the making. So this is the entrance. Here we're gonna have toilets and yeah, maybe some pictures, bikes on the walls when it's finished. So welcome. Here gonna be the offices. On the other side, the workshop. Here gonna be the wall, of course. So on the offices side, we have here a meeting room. We tear down this wall and we're gonna put a window in. Here gonna be all tables and the little walls to separate the space of the offices. Here's another office, probably me and Marco, my co-owner of the Marusha Performance, we will have probably the office there. Let's go over to the warehouse production site. Let me open the door. So here gonna be the warehouse. Then we're gonna put here and on the other side the CNC machines. And in that corner here, we're gonna put here on that wall workbenches and a table where we can put the bike on and measure the bikes so we can develop parts for that. So that's it. We need to finish it in 2 months. Not a lot of time, but I can't wait to show you the update. Next big news. This is Marusha, my new team member.
Hi.
And Marusha, it's your time to shine.
So I have joined Rock's team about half a year ago to kind of help him with this creative, organizational and planning side of his business. So the plan is that Rock learns some new tricks this season so we can bring you some more fresh content.
And no pressure at all. Thank you, Marusha. And by the way, tricks. You told me you don't ride a bike, right?
Not yet.
Not yet. Good answer. Guys, we need to teach her this season how to ride a bike. Marusha, welcome to the team.
Thank you.
I'm super excited, and let's go to the workshop and let's start to build the bike. Okay, so the plan is, guys, we're gonna add a lot of new Marusha Performance parts to the KTM Duke, and we're gonna protect it, we're gonna style it, we're gonna remove this tail titty, as you know, and some special parts, and we're gonna do also a custom paint. So we can start, but first we need to find the parts, so let's go to the warehouse. This is our warehouse here, so just a few steps away. Man, this is exciting. I never thought I'm gonna go to my own warehouse and just choose the parts I need. Exciting. So first I thought we're gonna protect the bike, of course. Crash bobbins, and the ultimate protection combo is with a sub cage. So let's search where are the crash bobbins. We're gonna go with the orange crash bobbins. Then here's the sub cage. Look at this with orange packs. Okay, next thing is the style part, so we need to change the tail tidy. Here, have the tail tidy, the premium version, all cable hidden. Thought we're gonna change the sprocket, not the stunt sprocket, but we're gonna go a bit bigger than the stock one in an orange anodized aluminum, high quality, and then with the orange chain, and this is gonna look sick. So So we need to protect also the front forks, so front spindle sliders. Yep, then we need to protect also the limbs, the toe guard. And I'm gonna go this time with the silver paddock stand bobbins, so you have those little bits and pieces. Okay, one thing is missing, that's the handlebar, and now we got all the parts. Whoa, that box is heavy now. Opa. That's why we need a new building. By the way, for those that didn't see the thumbnail, we're actually giving away that bike. So we're gonna make a custom KTM 125 Duke and we're gonna give it away. So stick with me and I'm gonna show you later how you can participate. Those are some nice crash bobbins. I hope for the one that's gonna win that bike, they're gonna stay nice without the crash. Some hardware, some bolts. And my favorite detail, the little 3D rock-on stickers for the crash bobbins. Time to wrench. A lot of times I read the forums on Facebook that they bought some crash bobbins for their KTM Dukes, the 125, 250, 390 on Alibaba or Amazon and similar platforms, and they are super cheap. I don't have nothing against super cheap, but the problem is a lot of those crash bobbins has a huge construction mistake. What I mean by that, if you come closer, you see here this mount here is super thin actually, and if you add pressure to it, it's gonna break away super easy. Usually those crash bobbin has 2 connection points and this easily breaks away the engine mount. And we thought what we can do better and improve that, and we added this connection rod and 3rd point, and this makes a huge difference and it saves your engine mount. So this looks like that, and you put it through and you connect it on the other side. Crash bobbins are on now, so the front part of the bike is protected. Now it's time for the sub cage. By the way, Marusha, how is filming the first vlog?
Very interesting and much different from short.
And by the way, guys, don't worry, Renato is still in the game, but we are just testing how to film with the phone. What's up, Renato? Another protection part that is actually super important is the front fork protection, and we have those front spindle sliders, and yeah, super easy to mount and super effective. Okay, bike is now bulletproof. It has the ultimate bike protection with the sub-cage crash bobbins and the spindle sliders. And now let's move to the tail titty and let's make it sexier. Before I put this tail tidy on the bike, I would like to show you one special feature, because we don't like visible cables on the tail titties, we designed this CNC machined space, and you can tuck the wires like that, mount it on the bike, and the end result is no visible cables. It's called magic also. Sexy, sexier, buggish performance, tail tidy. Now up to the handlebar. Time for the unbox of the new handlebar. Exciting moment. Boom! Check this. All black with BRAP engraving and some other style features, and of course buggish performance logo. And I kind of dig that all black. I have it on my stunt bike. And yeah, looks cool. So our handlebar is actually plug and play. No need to buy some extra handlebar clamps, so you save a lot of money. And it's actually super strong. I tested it through the years, through stunt riding, through many crashes. Doesn't bend that easy as the stock one. And it has reinforced bands here. It's also different shape. It's more flatter and straighter, so you have a different body position, and you have more control when you're riding some technical riding, such as stunt riding or going on the racetrack, and you can be quicker through the traffic jams if you live in a city. So time to mount the new handlebar. That's what she said. And now the moment that everybody was waiting for, the giveaway rules, where you can win this custom KTM 125 Duke that we are building by going to buggishperformance.com or clicking the link below and purchasing the ebook for €9, or every purchase over 175 euros gets one entry. So good luck guys, and I cannot wait to see who's gonna win this beautiful 125 Duke. Bike is protected, it has a nicer tail titty, it has new handlebar and lots of other parts. And for the next episode we planned, or we have actually, a crazy design. So I can't wait to show it to you and actually custom paint that bike, and yeah, it's gonna be crazy anyway. And what I wanted to say also is a huge thanks to all of you that believe in our brand Buggish Performance. We are 7 years old and we sell over 55 countries around the world. And without you, this kind of project, building bikes, give them away, wouldn't be possible. So huge thanks. See you in the next episode, and until then, rock on.